Now let us discuss about multiplexer. A multiplexer is a combinational circuit which accepts 2 power n data input lines and produces one output. So what is multiplexer? It is a combinational circuit. That means the output depends only on the present state and present input. So multiplexer is a combinational circuit which accepts 2 power n data input lines and it produces only one output. Okay. Let n is and a multiplexer has n selection inputs. N selection inputs. Selection inputs can also be called as control inputs. Okay. Let n is equal to 1. Then we will have let n is equal to 1. Then we will have 2 power 1 by 1 multiplexer. A multiplexer accepts 2 power n data input lines and it produces only one output. If n is equal to 1, then 2 power 1 by 1. So that is equal to 2 by 1 mux. A multiplexer can also be called as mux. Okay. Here what is n value? 1. So we will have only one selection input. Okay. We will have only one selection input. Let n is equal to 2. Then the multiplexer accepts 2 power 2 data input lines and it produces only one output. So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. So this is 4 by 1 multiplexer. It accepts 4 inputs and how many selection inputs this multiplexer have? 2 selection inputs. Here what is n value? 2. So 2 selection inputs and it produces only one output. In this video we are mainly focusing on 2 by 1 multiplexer as well as 4 by 1 multiplexer. So out of all the available inputs, so which input line will be selected? So that will be decided based upon the selection input. So if you take 4 by 1 multiplexer, let us observe this diagram. 4 by 1 mux. Okay. A 4 by 1 multiplexer has 4 data input lines such as I0, I1, I2, I3, and here what is 4? 4 means 2 power 2. So we will have 2 selection inputs such as S1 and S0 and it produces only one output, that is Y. So which out of all these data input lines, so which data input line will be selected? So that will be decided based upon the selection or control input. So for that let us observe the truth table. So here S1 and S2, S0 are nothing but control inputs, whereas Y is nothing but output. Okay. If the selection inputs are 0, 0, then what will happen is the first input, that is I0, I0 will be selected as the output. Okay. So if the selection inputs are 0, 0, then I0 will be selected as the output. Okay. Likewise, if the selection inputs are 0, 1, then the second input, that is I1, will be active. So I1 will be selected as the output. Okay. If the selection inputs are 1, 0, then I2 will be selected as the output. If the selection inputs are 1, 1, then I3 will be selected as the output. So out of 4 data input lines, only one input line will be active. That will be decided based upon the selection or control input. If we apply the selection inputs as 1, 0, then what is 1, 0? It is third input. So the third line will be active. So this I2 will be active. Okay. Next, let us evaluate the expression. So y is equal to, we can write as 0, 0 is nothing but S1 bar, S0 bar into I0. S1 bar, S0 bar into I0 plus, so here 0, 1 means what is 0? S1 bar, 1 means S0. S1 bar, S0, I1. So this is the second term, sum of products, plus S1, S0 bar, S1, S0 bar, I2, plus S1, S0, I3. Okay. Next we have to draw the logical circuit. So let us draw the logical circuit after discussing about 2 by 1 multiplexer. Now let us discuss about 2 by 1 multiplexer block diagram, truth table and logical circuit. So a 2 by 1 multiplexer has 2 data input lines such as I0 and I1. It produces only one output, that is Y. So here two input lines are there. So how many selection inputs this multiplexer has? So 2 power 1. So n is 1. So only one selection input. So that is S0. Okay. So here which data input line will be active? So that depends upon the selection input S0. If S0 is 0, then the first input, that is I0, will be selected as the output. Suppose if S0 is 1, then the second input line, that is I1, will be displayed as the output. Okay. So S0 Y. If S0 is 0, then I0 is the output. If S0 is 1, then I1 is the output. Then what is the expression here? Y is equal to, so 0 means S0 bar I0 plus S0 I1. Now let us see the logical circuit here. S0 bar I0. So this is nothing but I0 input. So this line represents S0. So for S0 bar, we are complementing this one. So here this product receives, this AND operator receives two inputs. First input is I0, second input is S0 bar. Next, the second AND gate receives input from S0 and I1. S0 and I1, this is S0 I1. So this is nothing but OR operator. So OR operator performs addition operation, okay, AND operation, OR operation. So in order to implement this circuit, we require two AND gates and one OR gate. Now let us draw the logical circuit for the 4x1 multiplexer. So here we have three inputs. So what is the first input? S1 is the first input. Here we have bar also. In order to calculate S1 bar, let us use this input. Next S0. Next for S0 bar, use this line. Okay, use this line. Next, what is the first term here? S1 bar, S0 bar. So S1 bar means this line. S0 bar means this line. And what is the next term? I0. So the first AND operator receives input from, let us take I0 here. The first AND gate receives input from S1 bar, S0 bar and I0. Next, second AND gate receives input from I1 and S1 bar, S0. So S1 bar means this AND gate, NOT gate, whereas S0 means directly this one. So this is nothing but I1 input. Next, third AND gate receives input from, I2 and S1 and S0 bar. S1 means this input, whereas S0 bar means this input. Next, third AND gate, the last AND gate, okay. Last AND gate receives input from, S1, S0 and I3. Next, we need to perform OR operation. So let us use OR operator. So our OR operator receives input from all these four AND gates. So this is about what is multiplexer and what is 2x1 multiplexer, what is 4x1 multiplexer. In the next video, we will discuss some more important points regarding the multiplexer.